Hello and
Hello.
welcome to today's unboxing video. It's very exciting.
Very exciting. We've been waiting for this for a long time.
Yeah.
How long?
Since July last year.
Since July last
so
year.
you know what's going to be in this box. It's a hedgehog.
A hedgehog?
A hedgehog.
Oh no, Sonic. There's no air holes.
Oh my days. So in this box we have Liam's Steam Deck. Mine's not due to arrive until next week.
Yeah.
But we've managed to time it pretty well.
It's handy. It's worked out quite well. I think you said box instead of box, but
Yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. So,
who cares?
Steam Deck, in this box, we're going to unbox it today and just see what it feels like.
Yeah,
We've
pretty much.
both been Nintendo Switch users since like pretty much day one.
I got my midnight release.
Very nice. I think I got mine next day on a random impulse. So there you go.
That's how we live.
And the thing about this, we are going to be doing more Steam Deck videos in the future as well. So if you've got any questions, you can't normally ask.
Ask bigger channels. Like we're still small fries. Give us a shout. Comment down below. Message Sean personally. Give him a phone call. Send some letters.
Love letters.
No,
All of the love
not.
letters.
He gets too many of those.
Stop waffling. I really... we need
Well,
to see it.
One thing I did say before we opened, because this is my one, like I said, Sean's is coming next week. Sean's not allowed to touch it first. Like, no. One thing I want to say before, sorry Sean, I know you're really eager, you're more eager than I am. When I checked on like loads of subreddits, this box had loads of like Valve, what's the word?
Branding.
Branded on it.
They changed it though. I'm sure they
I
changed it
don't
after
remember
the initial
seeing that.
batches because those were getting stolen.
But this one had none. On the little postage stamp it said from Valve, but that was it. I just thought that's important.
Liam is struggling.
I don't have a knife and I don't trust your Leatherman.
That Leatherman has been used for a lot of things. He's basically converted the whole garage. I mean, he's done really well. Oh, slowly. Come on, you can do it. It's very exciting. So, obviously, if you're not familiar with what the Steam Deck is, it's like a PC version of the Nintendo Switch. So a handheld.
Handheld PC.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
The way I'm seeing mine is it's going to be a Switch .2
Yeah.
because I just want it for indie games more than anything else.
Yeah, I'm the same. Older games, indie games that I just haven't been able to play. So all my multiplayer stuff will still be on my main PC.
Yes.
But I just want to be able to, even just like Resident Evil 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to be able to play through those sort of games. I'm not going to sit behind my PC and play them. As a dad to two children who take up a lot of time, the Switch was always a lifesaver for that, and this will just let me play my PC library.
I think for me, I don't have kids, but I do neglect my girlfriend a lot by gaming upstairs.
There we go.
And she's downstairs, so I can just game in the living room.
Boom, there you go, yeah.
So, attention, need to charge it first, so there's loads of plugs in this room. You need to calm down. What's in this box?
What's in the box? I'm guessing a power plug.
You can open this one, Sean.
Oh, thanks.
Over this.
Oh.
Oh, you've opened it. That's it.
That's it. I have a knife. I could use my teeth, but you probably don't want me to dribble all over
No,
things.
not with COVID.
What is this?
A little knife.
That's awful. Ah! I might have chimp arms, but
Yay!
Yay! Oh, that's a big brick.
I've heard that before.
Nice.
Decent. Looks like it'll do a job.
I mean, yeah. It looks like it's meant to come apart, but...
Well, this is universal. They probably just change that for every region.
Well, yeah, but... I won't break it, but it looks as though it's meant to slide out, but then they've just, like, melted it together or glued
some people don't. I wonder... Nah, we'll look at that later. Let's open the actual thing. It's a decent charger. So, let's move the actual box.
Oh, it comes in a case, which is always nice.
Yeah. This is the 256 model, not the 64. Not the 64 or the 512.
Yep. And if you're wondering what time we ordered it, you were 1 hour...
I was 59 minutes
I was
after.
1 hour 7 minutes, so mine is now shipped.
Yeah, we were trying to order on the dot. Like we were both there, and then we gave up, and then I finally got through and I sent Sean a message, and 8 minutes has equated to 1 week in delivery if it comes.
Yeah, that's it. If it arrives. God, that's much bigger than I was
It
expecting.
is. It's chunky. Although this is hollow. That bit.
Okay.
Obviously for the grip.
I don't understand. What's the elastic bit? Like, if you want to have it around your arm, like an armband?
No, you put your belt through it, and then you can look really cool when you're walking around.
like a satchel.
What? Oh no. Oh.
Oh.
That was
Okay,
easy
that's
enough.
easier then. Yeah. Oh, was it? No, he's in.
I mean,
I'm really intrigued to
quite
see how big this is going to be.
one thing I do like, we'll zoom in on this, you could padlock it if you wanted, like an actual travel bag.
okay.
So if you're really concerned. Can you smell it? Or is that just your garage?
Oh, that's just like the Game Gear.
I've never... Oh! It's pleasing. It is It's big. Like, it is big.
It is.
But
we
this
should have brought a Nintendo Switch out for comparison.
I was going to bring one, and then I got excited because it got delivered.
We'll get it in B-roll for you.
B-roll. But this...
B-roll.
This feels good. These two triggers already feel like they could be problematic.
Okay.
But everything else for back ones, D-pad, they all feel really good. Touchpad. There we go. We need a charger before. It's light. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be.
So look at this before we move on. So, like Liam said, it's hollow on the back. And then kind of, it's very well made.
Yeah.
So rather than getting like a third-party thing, which it might rattle about in, it's quite nice.
It does the job. I think I would have quite liked... It's nice that it's hollow on the back. Yeah, exactly. Oh, does that just go in?
Okay, here we go.
So you don't scratch your Steam... Oh.
I mean, I'm guessing that's kind of what it's for, to put accessories in. But because the UK has bigger bits there...
We do have bigger bits.
Apparently so. It doesn't quite fit snug. Yeah, that might not be what it's for.
Yeah. To be fair, I'll probably just have... I'll probably leave this at home and have a portable one. Which,
yeah.
Like, I'm not carrying this by itself. This is going in a bag with other things.
Yeah, definitely.
You can have a little go.
Oh, it's heavier than I expected.
Really? Maybe I'll work out more.
Back buttons, I like. I do like. Oh, I see what you mean. Those.
No, they're just a bit too high.
They're almost. They're quite hard to hit.
Yeah.
Everything else feels nice. I was worried about the placement of the thumbsticks, but actually they feel really good. I like that, but I don't think I'll get hand cramp like I do sometimes with Nintendo Switch.
Because it's got the back bits. Yeah. It's got like grips.
Everything feels pretty well laid out, apart from them two bumpers. Because I'm hit every time I'm trying to press it. I'm hitting the corner.
Plastic. Yeah. I suppose you're not really going to be playing FPSs on this, where they're probably the most predominant. Predominant. Thank you. But for the actual everything else is really well laid out. Like it doesn't. Yeah, I thought it wouldn't fit.
I almost feel like you will have to reverse around or switch around when you shoot with like R1 and R2. I think normally you'd shoot with R1 and have like R2 as a separate button. This, I think you would have to swap it around because hopefully you can see it on the camera. It's just when you're pressing that in, that's really getting in the way. Which I guess you'll get used to it, and maybe you press with your fingers and then. I
suppose like you evolve how you play.
You evolve.
Yeah,
wow.
Because you get people to play like games and they hold their controllers like this.
Okay,
like this to do like competitive fighting games.
Fair enough.
And whatnot.
No one in the audience wishes for that.
Opened for not how I expected at all.
Okay.
We will link these down. This was £5 from Amazon for 3 screen protectors. They might be rubbish. If they are, we won't link them.
Yep.
But if they're good, nice.
So there's Yoda for some reason there.
So cute stickers for you.
Oh. Okay, let's see what's in the cute stickers for me. Oh.
I thought it was going to be a wipe then.
Thanks, you are the best.
Sure. It's not a
Where's
sticker.
my sticker
That's not a sticker.
Oh, wait.
Oh, that is
wow.
cute.
Okay, we've got
Girl
a unicorn.
Power.
Yeah. Girl power.
You're not showing the camera.
I think I am.
This guy.
And
a bus.
Camper van. Okay.
Which one am I going to put on my Steam Deck?
All of them on the screen.
I'll put the screen protector on. We have the Switch, so we'll do some B-roll in a bit. But let's plug it in. Now we'll just wait.
And whilst it's doing that... Oh, it's mucky.
What do you do with your Switch?
I haven't... It won't have any battery at all because it's been flat for...
My Switch stays in the dock. I just
look at the difference there. I
mean, something which we just did off camera is put your Switch back in the case.
Okay, here we go.
I don't know why you need to do that because the case fits.
You could just put the case,
but like, look at the size of.
Ta-da!
It fits in. Absolutely mental.
But it's a good thing to think of because if you are somebody who is using it as a portable device all the time, it's big. It's much bigger than I expected. So this is like we said, original Switch. It's big. We'll do more close-ups and everything. But benefits, I guess, versus obviously apart from the operating system and all of that. USB-C on the bottom. I mean, the charging on the bottom. And it's
still on the bottom on the OLED
all the new ones. I think that's maybe more of a not to annoy the original buyers than anything else. But yeah, that's frustrating. At least it's on the top there. Some people will love it, some people will hate it. But for me, it makes so much more sense having it on the top so you can have it plugged in. And by all accounts, the Steam Deck does need, realistically, plugging in more. Oh.
Yeah, so I think like battery life can be up to 8 hours on a not great game. On a AAA game, it's probably going to be around 2 hours.
Exactly.
I probably won't be doing AAA games. It's not really a concern of mine. It's nice to have the option.
I don't leave the house, so it doesn't really matter too much. But oh, here we go.
You know, when I went to the garage today, it felt like the first time I left the house, not for work, in about 2 weeks.
Oh.
That's my life. Anyway, so do we want it in English?
I mean, we should probably have a challenge.
Pacific Standard Time would. Oh no, I'm going the wrong way.
And by the way, he's put a screen protector on it as well, so.
Perfectly, I might add. I'm upset we weren't filming.
Yeah, here we go.
Awkward to hold with one hand.
Put it down then.
I'll put you down.
Boom, it is connecting.
Oh, it's going to have loads of updates. It's on like version 3.2.
Yeah, but at least we can see what it looks like booting on and everything.
I'm not a fan of the bezel. I know it's a screen. Yeah. I know it would have bezel, but I just feel like that's an obnoxious amount of bezel.
Yeah, but it is what it is.
It is. Wow. From 3 minutes to 1 second. Sean's Wi-Fi is good.
Yeah, it is. Oh, you can hear that fan kicking.
Yeah. It's not the whine, though. It's the whir.
It's the whir. And it won't have the latest update to change the fan curve.
Oh, okay.
So there's been a lot of... So when this first came out, there were like 2 different fans. One was a quieter fan, one was not a quiet fan.
I think one was like beta, wasn't it? They released the
first
released
beta. No, but there's physically 2 different fans.
Yeah, but the first ones was like... Oh, I'm sorry, everyone. The first ones were...
Like review units and stuff.
Yeah, and they had quiet ones. And then, like, the later ones had the whine. And that's...
But there's a new software that's come out that will help to stop that.
Yeah.
So that'll be interesting to see as well. But I mean, I guess that's it for our kind of first impressions and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah,
really?
We'll do another video of...
I guess like short-term stuff. We'll do a few different types of videos. Obviously, the type of channel that we've done before is the fact we'll probably do some retro stuff on there. Liam's really interested in trying out retro, so he'll probably take the lead on retro gaming on a Steam Deck. I'll most likely do a lot of the cloud gaming stuff, and then we'll just kind of have the combined stuff of what our thoughts are as well. So, like Liam said at the beginning, if you've got any questions that you want us to kind of explore, find out, any accessories that you want us to try out as well, because there's going to be things on this that you might be thinking, actually, I might buy it if I could do this. So let us know. You know, we'll do our best to do that.
And yeah, we're more likely to answer. I say we. Sean's more likely to answer. I'll just take the credit.
Well, there you go. So yeah, throw any comments you've got. I hope you've enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe so you can come along for this. We're probably going to do quite a bit. It's at 10 minutes now for its update, so that went up a lot. We'll be back soon with some more, probably Steam Deck content.
Yes.
Ta-ra for now.
Toodle poop.
Bye.